Hello, I'm Lauren Forry, and I'd like to introduce you to my book, Abigale Hall. It's Britain, March 1947. Rationing is worse than it was during the war. The coldest winter on record was marked by a coal shortage. Everyone is tired and hungry. It's a time that encompasses what Evan Durbin wrote in 1940. Persecution, cruelty, and war are nothing but the external expressions of the dark forces of the human heart. 17-year-old Eliza Haverford will have to face all of these dark forces, plus those of her own heart, when she and her younger sister Rebecca are banished from London and sent to a remote corner of Wales, where they're forced to work in a crumbling estate known as Abigale Hall. While working in conditions that are more akin to the 19th century than to the 20th, Eliza's resolve crumbles until she starts to uncover the mystery that has been haunting Abigale Hall for 50 years. As she tries to learn all of the hall's secrets in order to escape a fate of the previous housemaids, her sister Rebecca falls under the dark spell of the evil housekeeper, Mrs Pollard. Eliza is then faced with a choice. Does she save herself or save her sister? Because no matter how hard Eliza fights these dark forces, not everyone will be getting out of Abigale Hall alive.